All right, I'm back. My head might be chopped off for the rest of these videos because I really want to show you the product. And we still don't have lighting, but yo, what's good, everybody? Everywhere else, I'm Eddie One Take, but on this channel, I'm RTX Eddie. I'm working on a crazy PC build. In these videos right now, I'm unboxing each individual product because this is my first journey, my first build on the PC. And I want people who are interested in a PC, entrepreneurs, content creators, gamers. If you're interested in finding out what products work for your PC, and you can use me, man. I'm here. But this is a quick video. We have the Corsair PowerPlay RMX series RM1000X high performance ATX power supply. So when I see this, I think like you gotta get the right power supply for what you're using your computer for. For this is a 1000X RM. I'm not 100% sure what that stands for. You might not need that if you have a small PC, right? So that's why I say shout out to Sizzle again, because I would have probably wasted a lot of time trying to figure a lot of this out. So let's unbox this, get right into it. He be talking too much, man. Get straight to the video. You said you was gonna get straight to the video. I know, man. I'm excited. I'm learning. All right, let's unbox it. This is my first time unboxing it. You've seen it unwrapping. Hopefully, we don't shut out. Power cable. Hope my angle's good, too. I know I got it high. Power cable. Everything in box. More cables. More cables. Zip ties. And I think that's what, I think this is where these come in. Remember our Asia horse? I'm learning the brands. And if I love good brands and I'm using the brand to further my process and make me money, those brands that I'm working with, I'm definitely shouting them out. I'm sending my people your way. I want you to make some good money too, man. But this is our power supply. Clean. Got a good feel to it too, man. Ooh, I can't wait till we get that light back on. Clean. Don't worry, I'm bringing all of this back out. See all our ports in the back? Yeah, motherboard, PCIe, CPU, SATA, PATA, designed for use with genuine Corsair Type 4 cable sets only. Power button, yeah, okay. Shout out to Corsair, shout out to Corsair. We got one of your products. Can't tell you how it is, never used it before. But that's why you wanna stay tuned to the channel so you can see the journey, man. You can see the from nothing going to something, you know? Everything starts from nothing and goes somewhere. So I'm grateful for you being a part of this journey. That's the power supply, ATX power supply. Yeah, real unboxing. I'm not gonna unbox every single thing until I like start building the motherboard and putting everything together, so keep some of these in a bag. But yeah, that's that video. Shout out to Corsair. We're about to put this thing together soon. About to go drop the content off of the camera, clear some space, and we'll be back with some more products, yo. RTX Eddie, I'm out, y'all.